Hello everyone, this is Anil from Sigma Classes. So today we will start our new topic, that is division of decimal number from standard 7th. So in this topic we will cover the three important points, that is the one is division of decimal number by 10 or multiple of 10, division of a decimal number by a whole number, and division of a decimal number by a decimal number. So first we will learn how to divide the decimal number by a 10 or multiple of 10. Okay, suppose if we have a decimal number is 1.28. okay, then and we have to divide this is by 10 or multiple of 10. Okay, suppose that, and divisor is what? Divisor equal to 10. Then we will solve like as the 1.28 is divided by 10. Okay, so for this situation we will solve like this, means we will shift the decimal to the left side, okay, equal to the number of zeros in the divisor. हम क्या करेंगे, उस डेसिमल को क्या करेंगे, लेफ्ट साइड के लिए शिफ्ट कर देंगे जितने की डिवाइजर में जीरोस होंगे. ओके, आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? सो it will be your answer, means whenever you will shift this decimal to this side, then it will convert the 0.128, that is 0.128 your answer. Okay, now see, then okay, just tell me what will be the answer for this one. 1.29 divided by 100. Yes, what? Now this time we will shift two place to the left side. Okay, why? Because there are two zeros in the divisor. Okay, now see, so what will be your answer for this given situation? So here it's 1, then we will take the 1 0 from here, then we will put the decimal. So your answer is what? The 0.0129 is the correct answer for this given situation. Okay, let's take the one more example for this 10 or multiple of 10 situation. 7.72.4 divided by 1000. Then now this time we will shift the decimal 3 place to left side, because 3 zeros in the divisor. Okay, that's why we will shift this decimal to the left side, 3 place to the left side. Okay, now see, it's 1, 2 and 3. So we will write the 0.724. It's your answer. Okay, now come to the second topic, that is division of a whole number, division of a decimal number by a whole number. Okay, so I hope you got the point how to solve the division of a decimal number by a 10 or multiple of 10, and still you have any confusion, you can leave your comment. Okay, leave your problem in the comment section. Okay, now see, the second is by a whole number. So suppose we have a decimal number like this. So what are the whole number? Those number which is started from zeros and goes up to infinity, they are said to be what? A whole number. So in this situation, a condition will be like as the 1.28, that is the decimal number, is divisible by a whole number. Okay, just we are taking here 4. Okay, now see, it will be your question. And now how to solve this question? Solution: 1.28 divided by 4. Okay, you can simply divide this by 4. So just ignore this decimal. Okay, just ignore दिस डेसिमल, आप इस डेसिमल को इग्नोर करें और उस टाइम पर आप ऐसे ही इसे सॉल्व करें. ओके, जस्ट इग्नोर दिस डेसिमल. तो 4 3 are 12 as we had done in the previous standard, or you can say the simply division format. Okay, 4 3 are 12 and 4 2 are 8. So it will be your answer. But here now see, check the decimal number, check the position of the decimal 1 and 2. So we will put the decimal after 2 digits. So okay, so it will be your answer. Okay, are you getting my point? Now take one more example. Okay, 12.8 divided by 6 this time. Okay, so how will we solve this one? Now see it. 6 2 ja 12. Okay, 6 1 ja 6. What was the remainder here? Now 2. Okay, so you will put the decimal and then we will take the one more zeros. Okay, so it will become the 26 3 18 and again 2 and 20 का कॉन्सेप्ट बनेगा जो आपका, हम उसको स्किप करेंगे. अभी केवल ये देखेंगे कि इस सिचुएशन के लिए क्या पॉसिबिलिटी रहेगी. सो फर्स्ट वी विल नाउ फ्रॉम हियर. So what will be your answer for this given situation? Okay, because after this, okay, now whenever you will divide this 12.8 by 6, then you will put what? You will get this 2 like as the 6. It will be more clear from this example. Okay, this side 6 2 ja 12. Sorry, 12. Okay, now write down the 8. So here is what here is a decimal number, decimal, sorry. So we will put the decimal here. And now 6 1 ja 6. Okay, so for this given situation, and if the question is asking write down the find the answer up to the 3 place of the decimal, then you will write down the 0 here, sorry, here. And now 6 3 ja 18, again 2, write down the 0, 6 3 ja. Okay, so now your answer up to 3 place of the decimals. Okay, so it's the answer up, it's your answer up to 3 place of the decimal. Okay, so in this way we have learned the how to divide the decimal number by a whole number. Now the next topic is what? Divide a decimal number, division of a decimal number via decimal number. Okay, it is your last topic of this exercise. Okay, let's take the same example. 1.28 divide by 0.4. Okay, it will be your question. Now how to solve this question? We have 1.28 divided by 0.4. This implies we can write like this: 1.28 divided by 0.4. And now in next step what we have to do here? Now first please be careful here. Okay, whenever you will remove this point, okay, then we will use the 10. Means how many digits are there after this decimal? 1. So we will write down the 10 here. Okay, means we will place 1 0 after 1, that is 10. Okay, in the numerator. And whenever you will remove this decimal from the numerator, then you will write the 1 and how many what is the position of this decimal? Okay, after 2 digits. Okay, so we will write the 2 zeros here. Okay, so we got what? 128 multiplied by 10 and 4 into 100. Okay, now we can convert this one. Can this 0 cancel this 0 to this 0, means 0 से 0 ja. Okay, now 4 3 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8. Okay, so we got what? 32 divided by 10, and you know we have already learned this property, that is what? Division of a decimal number by a 10 or multiple of 10. So your answer is 3.2. Okay, I hope you got the idea how to solve the division of a decimal number via decimal number, division of a decimal number via 10 or the multiple of 10, and via whole number. Okay, so it's enough for today, and in this way we have completed our chapter number 3. So student, you have to try word problem by yourself, and still you are facing any problem in the word problem, just leave that question in the comment section. I will provide the solution for that particular question. Okay, so no problem, just enjoy your mathematics and do your work in a sincere manner. Okay, thank you.